Now last sum of this problem set 4 is sum number 10. It is also important sum, odd sums. There are 4 blocks given, but small correction is there. Above the 4 blocks, is this word is wrong. Here it should be manufacturer, because first is a manufacturer, and in second wholesale. See, they given different wholesaler and distributor. If somebody having a whole textbook and here written wholesaler, that is a wrong. It should be manufacturer, and here distributor, because wholesaler and distributor are one and the same thing. Two different, not one and the same thing. Both are the same. So either it is a distributor or wholesaler, one and the same thing. Distributor, then retailer. Retailer is a shopkeeper, and then customer. बराबर ना? Consumer or customer. So the chain should like this: manufacturer, then wholesaler or distributor, or a wholesaler or distributor, then retailer or and customer, consumer. Now for manufacturer, taxable value. Taxable value means without tax. Taxable value given here. Taxable value given 6,000 for distributor. For retailer it is a 6,500, and for customer we have to find out. Okay, so like this. So keep it in mind, this sum is like this: first manufacturer, then wholesaler or distributor, then retailer and customer. Make a correction in your text. Okay, prepare a statement of GST payable under the head by wholesaler, distributor. Now again, wholesaler, not wholesaler, manufacturer, distributor, retailer at the time of filling the return of the government. At the time of return the government, that means we have to pay, find the GST payable. Customer obviously not paying at a file at the end of year, financial year. So not for customer, only for these 3 persons. So I am making 3 part: manufacturer, बराबर ना? Then distributor or wholesaler, one and the same thing, and for retailer. Okay. Now taxable value for here is what given, rupees 5,000. Here taxable value is given 6,000, and here taxable value return 6,500. Okay. For customer we have to find out afterwards. Then rate of GST. Rate of GST is same for all 3 persons. Rate of GST is 12% here. Rate of GST here also 12%. So this is the rate of GST. Rate of GST. Okay, start. Now because of rate of GST, after GST he paid to the tax to the what? Government. So the GST payable. So GST output tax. Output tax is what? Taxable value into rate of GST. So 5,000 into 12% become 600. This is the tax paid to the government. So this will become GST payable. GST payable for first person, that is manufacturer, it becomes 600 because this is already paid to the government. Therefore C GST, it is a 2 parts. So 300, and H GST also 2 parts, that is a 300. Okay. Now here this GST is already paid to government by manufacturer. Now here output tax at the time of taxable value into rate of GST. So 6,000 12%. See, 720, but 720 not paid to the government because already paid 600 na. So GST payable is equal to 720 minus 600. Why minus 600? Because already paid to the government. So become 120. Now therefore C GST payable will become rupees half 60, and A GST also rupees 60. Now come to here. Output tax. Output tax is equal to taxable value into rate of GST. So 6,500 into 12%. 0 cancel. So 65 into 12, 130, 780. So he will not pay 780 to the government. Who? Retailer, because already paid 720. Already 720 paid na from here. So output tax GST payable will become rupees 780 minus 720. Now you some question for students. Why 720? Because see, 600 paid here and here 60 plus 60, so extra money. So 600 plus 120, that is why 720 paid to the government. So that is why I cut 720 from here. It will become 60. Now C GST payable will become rupees 60. Two parts now, so rupees 30, and as GST paid is equal to rupees 30. So this is the first question complete. Second question is very simple. At the end of amount which paid by customer. So customer क्या paid करेगा? Customer को paid करना पड़ेगा इतना 6,500 का 12%, बराबर ना? So second question answer. At the end, what amount paid by the customer? So amount paid by consumer is equal to 6,500 plus extra money. So extra money is what? 720. 720 tax. If you add this, 7,280. This is the second answer. 6,500 original plus 12% tax collected by retailer. From whom? Customer. That is a 7,280. Now third, write which invoice issued by B2B and B2C. B2B means what? B2B means businessman to businessman. So businessman to businessman, यहाँ पे. So manufacturer to distributor or wholesaler, distributor will become B2B, businessman to businessman. Then distributor to retailer. This is also businessman to businessman. And last, retailer to consumer. Consumer is a businessman to customer, B2C. Now, if you see, look at behind, they given this answer in a chart, simple. Barabar? Here manufacturer, here distributor or wholesaler, and here retailer, and here total tax. Okay, here CGST, here as GST, and here GST. So what is CGST paid here? 300. So here also 300. That is why rupees 600 here. Okay. Now distributor. How we get a distributor? 120. So 60 plus 60, no, 60 plus 60 is what? 120. So rupees 60 here, rupees 60 here. And for here, rupees 30 will become rupees 60. So add this will become 390. Here also 390. And here also 780. 390 plus, this is your another 780 total tax paid to the government. But 780 total tax paid by the government is a step by step. First 600, then 120, then 60. Step by step. So this is your update.